They are on the verge of success, in a happy relationship, or finally at peace. And then, seemingly out of nowhere, they burn it all to the ground. This isn't drama. This is the dark psychology of Gemini self-sabotage. It's a paradoxical, destructive pattern where their greatest gifts, their intelligence and adaptability, get weaponized against them. And today, we're uncovering the 3 hidden psychological triggers that make it happen. At the heart of Gemini self-sabotage is a primal psychological dread of stagnation. For a mind that thrives on new information, connection, and mental stimulation, becoming trapped in a predictable, static environment feels like a slow death. Boredom isn't just uncomfortable, it's psychologically threatening. So, when life becomes too stable, too predictable, their subconscious mind kicks into survival mode. And its solution is terrifyingly simple. If there is no external chaos, it will create internal chaos. Destroying a relationship, quitting a job, or starting a conflict is not about the thing itself. It's about creating the mental hurricane their brain craves to feel alive again. This doesn't happen at random. It follows a dark psychological sequence. Step 1, the gilded cage. Everything is objectively good, but the Gemini feels trapped, restless, and intellectually understimulated. Their mind starts searching for exits. Step 2, the justification engine. Their brilliant, analytical mind, their greatest asset, is now used to build a case against their own happiness. They will hyper-focus on tiny flaws, overanalyze their partner's words, and convince themselves that leaving is the logical choice. Step 3, the impulsive detonation. They pull the trigger. It's often a sudden, decisive, and seemingly out-of-character act that creates massive chaos and change. The relief is immediate, the stagnation is broken, but the devastation is left in its wake. This is where the famous dual nature becomes a civil war. One side, the intellectual self, is coolly rationalizing the destruction. The other side, the emotional self, is screaming in protest, but it's often drowned out by the loud, logical arguments. The Gemini feels trapped in their own mind, a passenger in a decision they know is wrong, but feel powerless to stop. They are both the arsonist and the victim, watching their own life burn. If you see yourself in this pattern, know this: your mind isn't broken. It's just powerful and needs a conscious pilot. The antidote to self-sabotage isn't to stop thinking, but to redirect that brilliant mind. You must learn to feed your hunger for novelty in healthy ways through new hobbies, intellectual challenges, and travel before it turns inward and devours your stability. Your chaos is not your destiny. It is a signal that your incredible mind needs a new, constructive challenge. The same psychology that drives the sabotage, when understood, becomes the key to self-mastery. This is a deep pattern, and understanding it is the first step to breaking it. In the comments, I want to know, have you ever caught yourself in this self-sabotage cycle? What was the trigger? Sharing it can be a powerful release. And subscribe, because next we're exploring how to channel this intense energy into your ultimate superpower,